with our regular turn. 1, 2, lift, 3, 4. Turn your ladies. 5, 6. Once the ladies' turn's done, flatten out your hand like a pizza. Guys, take your foot, quarter of a turn. 7, spin all the way around. 8, over your head. All right. Turn the lady, putting circular tension at the shoulder level. Ladies, let that hand go and reconnect. Tap, basic. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, lift, 3, 4. We're going to do a cuddle circle, over rotated. So that means bring your lady into the cuddle position, but you're going to watch how David's going to start here, and he's going to make a whole circle till he gets back to there. So he's going to go 5, 6, 7, 8. All the time pulling this hand so we get around. So after that, pull the right hand to let the ladies out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pull the hand so she comes your way, over the head. 5, 6, 7, arm to arm, 8. And we're just going to have leaders step forward and do a body roll. Ladies, we're just going to visually watch him and imitate what he does because we can't really feel it. We're just going to watch it. So, he's doing that. We're going to body roll. And he's going to do a little hip twitch. I'm going to ba, ba, ba. Try to make it even bigger and follow what he's doing. Feet together, 8. Basic. And you're done. But that's everything for this week. So remember to subscribe to the channel so you can get more videos like this every week. Give us a thumbs up if you learned something. And we'll see you next Sunday in class.